Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to skip a week on HelloFresh. There's literally to pause HelloFresh. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to HelloFresh.com. Go ahead and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. Then click login to access your account dashboard. Go ahead and click on sign up if you haven't created an account yet. Now once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, which we have in here. So here, if you have already placed a booking on HelloFresh, you're definitely going to find the My Menu tab, which is located in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. I've currently not made any booking, so that tab is literally not here. But if you do, or if you have already done that, you can find the My Menu tab at the top. So go ahead and click on My Menu. Now this section displays your upcoming deliveries and meal selection. Scroll through your upcoming delivery weeks to find the specific week you'd like to skip. Each week is displayed with its corresponding delivery date and meal selections. Once you have identified the week you wish to skip, click on the Edit Delivery button for that week. A banner will appear with options to skip the week or to skip this week. So go ahead and click on the option to proceed. After clicking skip this week, a confirmation message will appear to ensure you want to skip the selected delivery. Go ahead and confirm your choice and the week will be marked as skipped. Please note, to successfully skip a delivery week, you must make this change by 11:59 p.m. PST, 5 days prior to your scheduled delivery date. This allows HelloFresh to process the change in time for your upcoming order. And that's it. You have successfully skipped a delivery week on the HelloFresh web app. Now you can enjoy your break without worrying about meal deliveries. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.